The Park Tool PRS-33.2 is a power lift repair stand designed and built for the professional mechanic. The stand has a nearly 6-foot range of height adjustment and can be infinitely adjusted using the convenient oversized switches. The massive upright and proven clamp interface provides security and stability at any height. The PRS-33.2 can smoothly lift up to 120 pounds or 54 kilograms, perfect for lifting heavy electric bikes or for mechanics with lifting limitations. The integrated work tray features a USB port for charging battery-powered components or personal electronics. And the additional fully featured tool tray features an array of holes, trays, and slots to keep tools and parts within arm's reach. The integrated accessory bar can be used to hang wheels, air hoses, lights, or other accessories. The Micro Adjust clamp grips nearly any tube from 7/8 inch to 3 inches or 23 to 76 millimeters, including arrow tubes, and its narrow clamping jaws fit into tight areas and short seat posts. The PRS-33.2 can be made into a double arm stand with a PRS-33.2 AOK add-on kit. The PRS-33.2 can be bolted directly to the floor or mounted to an optional steel base with leveling set screws. The biggest, strongest, most versatile repair stand we've ever built. The PRS-33.2 Power Lift Shop Stand.